Hello and welcome to today's episode. Ringtone is looking for a wife. This is why I like Ringtone's method of looking for a wife. Less than 4 months ago, Ringtone proposed to Zari Hassan, Diamond Platinum's ex-wife. Oh, but it didn't go right. Zari said she would not like that to happen, of course. But Ringtone already bought 42 cows.
Leo tumenunua ng'ombe 42 ambazo tunapanga kupeleka Uganda kwa kina Zari wakati ukifika. Na kieleweke vyema, kama mwanamume hajalipa mahari bado, huyo msichana si wake. Ama namna gani? My friend. Na please mwambieni Diamond asimtolee Zari wimbo, aende atoe mahari kama ako serious. For us tuko tayari kwenda Uganda na tulipe, wala hatuogopi, tutafunga na kuomba Mungu atupe ushindi. He said in his.
He follows tradition and is willing to do things the right way. Like even before meeting Zari Hassan, he already bought the cows and already started fasting and praying for it. So he's a very God-fearing man from that point. Na anaendanga kesha, by the way, anaendanga kesha. He's not choosy. It doesn't matter kama ni Zari Hassan ama student wa Cope University. Haangalii pesa ama age. Haangalii pesa ama age. Zari Hassan, student wa Cope University. You can see the difference between the age, financial stability between the two prospective wives. Another thing I like about Ringtone ni mtu ana surprise dem yani. Imagine amebuy Range Rover black spots. Akaweka number plate Zari. Even though number plate ilikuwa ya karatasi just in case Zari akatae bado. Umeimwona na hiyo range tena?
So I decided to get her a Range Rover. A Range Rover Sport 2017. So nilikuwa nimeona amepost anapenda Range Rover, so nikaona nimpatie Range Rover. Na hiyo nilikuwa nampatia tu kwa sababu kumappreciate kwamba she's a beautiful woman.
Mtu atachukua Range alafu akwambie I'm not interested anymore. Range iende hiyo. But my point is Ringtone alikuwa amenunua that Range even before meeting the wife. Nani ameibaia crush wake, Range. The first thing anaambia dem ni Jesus loves you.
Sikia? Nikamwambia pia mimi nakupenda, Yesu anakupenda. Lord and Savior, what I decided the first thing to do is to post and tell her that dear Zari, Jesus loves you.
The first thing Ringtone anasema ni God anakupenda jo. By the way, it's true, God anakupenda, but that's the first thing aliambia Zari. Do you really think there are no ladies in the church where Ringtone goes willing to marry Ringtone? Ringtone job haina ile lakini. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe so that you don't miss my next episode. Thank you. Whoa, my next episode, Esther Pasari's foot soldiers. Those are very serious women, man. Look at them. All of them are serious. No one is laughing. Esther Pasari's came back yesterday to Kenya from Canada.